Footprinting through social networking sites involves using social engineering tactics to gather information about an intended victim. Social engineering refers to a range of malicious activities that involve manipulating people to make security errors or disclose sensitive information. The attacker typically performs this type of attack in two or more phases. They first collect background data on their target, including identifying vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Next, they aim to build trust with the victim or provide stimuli that cause them to compromise their security measure, such as sharing confidential information or allowing access to restricted resources. Social networking sites are valuable resources for attackers seeking to footprint and carry out social engineering attacks. These platforms allow people to connect and establish relationships with one another. Social networking sites are easily accessible to anyone, including attackers who can exploit this openness to collect sensitive information from users. This can be done by browsing through public profiles or by creating a fake profile to deceive genuine users. Individuals often post personal details, such as their education, employment background, spouse's name, and date of birth. While companies may share information regarding potential partnerships and upcoming news, attackers can use social networking sites to gather information about their target. The data they can access is limited to what has been posted by users. An attacker could use social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram to gather information about a target. While social networking sites are known for connecting people both personally and professionally, they can also be used to gather information that could be used for malicious purposes. When people maintain their profile and when people update their status, what information you give and what an attackers get. What information you give. When people maintain their profile, photo of the target, contact numbers, email addresses, date of birth, location, work detail. What attacker get. When people maintain their profile, personal information about a target including personal information, photo, etc. What information you give. When people update their status. Most recent personal information. Most recent location. Family and friends information. Activities and interest technology related information. Upcoming events information. What attacker get. When people update their status. Platform and technology related information. Target location. List of employees, friends, family. Nature of business. The profile picture can identify the target. The profile can gather personal information. By using this simple personal information, an attacker can create a fake profile of any user. The hacker can then connect with potential employees of the organization and then can ask to share confidential information like passwords, report, etc. during casual chatting on social networking sites. Posts have location links, pictures, and other location information that helps to identify the target location. Timelines and stories can also reveal sensitive information. By gathering information of interest and activities, an attacker can join several groups and forums for more footprinting. Furthermore, skills, employment history, current employment, etc. are the information that can be gathered easily and used for determining the type of business of an organization, technology, and platforms used by that organization. The people who are posting on these platforms never think about what they are posting. Their post may contain enough information for an attacker or a piece of required information for an attacker to gain access to their system. So this is the video and thanks for watching. And please make sure to subscribe to Technical Soban YouTube channel and hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for joining our journey and helping us. Okay, bye bye and Jai Hind.